welcome back to my channel. I'm creating this look. This makeup look is very seamless, beautiful, very easy to create and very dewy and glowy. I will create this makeup look with the help of very affordable makeup product as well as very affordable makeup brushes set. Let's get started with this video. तो आज मैं यूज कर रही हूँ इनसाइड का 3-in-1 प्राइमर। मेरी ऑयली स्किन है तो ये मेरे पोर्स को भी अच्छे से मिनिमाइज करेगा, ऑयल को भी कंट्रोल करेगा। For eyebrows, I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette, eyebrow kit, and using this brown shade. And by the way, I'm using this brush from Mars Tools of Titans collection. For my brow, I'm using this Puli from Miniso makeup brush set. For my concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05 for my eye base. And blending this concealer with the help of this brush from Mars Cosmetics. And this brush is performing very well. First time I'm using any concealer brush. At my eyelid, I'm using this loose powder from Swiss Beauty. This is translucent powder and this powder brush is from Mars Cosmetics again. I'm using all the brushes from Mars and Miniso only. I will link all the product link in the description box so you can find them. For my eyes, I want to keep it very basic and neutral. I'm using this SFR palette Orange You Glad. This shade right here, brownish shade, light-handedly. This brush is from Miniso, and all these brushes are very soft and very easy to work with. So basically, I just apply this shade all over my lid. Just apply this kajal from Blue Heaven, and with the help of this smudging brush I just smudge my kajal a little bit. Not I just complete my eye makeup. It's really basic. This foundation is from Maybelline Superstay foundation. My shade is 128 Warm Nude. Use 1.5 pump of applying it with my finger on my face. It with this brush. I'm using the dabbing motion to blend it. See, it's blend very seamlessly. I will use this concealer for this foundation for my under eye concealer. This concealer brush from Mars. I just love this brush. Not only this brush, I love the whole set from Mars. Blush, I'm using this this blush from My Glam K Play, and it's peach blush. Brush is from Miniso, and this brush is also very beautiful, feeling very soft on my skin. Blending my blush very easily and very beautifully. Set my under eye area with the help of loose powder. For highlighter, I'm using Mars highlighter. Very beautiful shade for all skin type, all skin tone. And this brush is from Miniso again. It provides very subtle glow on your face. For my lower lash line, I'm using this smaller blending brush from Mars, and using this eyeshadow and just My mascara, I'm using this Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. I'm using this setting spray from Swiss Beauty. I'll apply my favorite nude lipstick from My Glam. Lipstick goes with every look and I just love this lipstick. Don't have any option, I just put on this lipstick and ready to go out. This is the final look. I love this look and you can see it's very beautiful and seamless. Look at the glow on my face. I just love this look. I hope you like and enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So bye bye. Thanks for watching.